Okay guys, time check is 6:34. Like I said, close na itong De Soledad. So nagpicture na lang kami and we're gonna be heading sa San Carlos Borromeo. I'm pretty sure close din sila, but ito yung goal namin for tonight. Siguro we're gonna do the same thing, picture doon and then pupunta na kami sa hotel namin. Alright guys, gagabihin na kami. We gotta go later. Alright guys, leaving De Soledad. Ayun yung church pala, sweetheart. Ayun o. We could probably just walk right here. No, probably not an idea. That's all good. Let's go to the next destination. Alright guys, back on US 101 North again for another 22 miles. Para sa ayaw nga no. Dapat pala eh. Ano ko lang yan ano. Nalampas na miss ko yung ano eh, yung exit. Nasa bukid na naman kami. Allah. Si Aring San malapit na magtago sa bundok. Time check is anong oras na ba? What time is it, people?
7:42.
It's 7:42 p.m. na. So we made it dito sa San Carlos Borromeo de Carmelo, pero you're just, you know, it's closed. So like I said, picture na lang kami. And I'm glad we made it here. But okay lang. Hi, hello there. It's close. Saan
Final resting place of Saint Juniper Sir. Pwede ako.
Tara. Noah, come back here. Mga bala tayo, tigas ng mga ulo. Okay. Ayan na. Last stop by namin for tonight. Number 8 work. Today. Ayan. Alright guys, time check is 7:59 p.m. Almost 8 o'clock. Like I said, sarado na yung San Carlos Borromeo de Carmelo, but we took some picture. Ito na yung last stop namin for the day. Nakawalo kaming Mission Church today. So, we're gonna head now sa hotel namin para, you know, rest, dinner, take a shower, and tomorrow ulit. Alright, tara let's, bye! Alright guys, time check is 8:15 p.m. Medyo madilim na. Pero nandito na kami sa hotel namin. Check-in na si Shirley. So that's it for tonight! Mamaya kung may time sa loob ng ano siguro kung may time pa. But anyway, that's for tonight. It was a long driving. I would call it very successful kahit na we were not able to get on time dahil maagang nagka-close po yung mga mission, mga iba alas 4 ang ganyan ang port. Pero the bottom line is na napunta namin lahat, you know, yun, and say a little prayer. So that's it guys, later. Alright guys, dito kami ngayon tonight. Ayan, we get to get this one. Tapos itong mga correcting room itong kinuha namin dahil marami kami. Dito yung si Grandma Grandpa. Oh, yan oh. At saka yung kids dito na rin siguro sila. Ooh, for one night mayroon kaming privacy din eh. Makakatulog ng maayos. Pero si Amber, sigurado si Amber dito siya sa amin. Ewan ko na kung sinawan mo hindi siya lilipat tonight. Natutulog si Sinawa sa amin eh. Dinner.